Hello everyone, I'm Harder Dean. We're back playing Sekiro Shadows Die Twice. So, while I was away, I managed to get a few more prosthetic upgrades to get me the best type of kunai, which is called the Fantai kunai. It's pretty much a super shuriken, but it also deals like additional great damage to things, which I wonderfully use often to try to cheese enemies, because they can block the shuriken, but like the phantom butterflies that go with it, they cannot block that. So now that I know that this guy's an asshole, since last time it didn't let me sneak up on him, this time we're gonna get this final blow. Are you kidding me? Ah, see, it's this ability, and then it slowly deals damage to it. Ah! Yes, this is how sometimes I have to deal with enemies, because unlike all the good players, which I am part not of, you know, I myself have to try a little bit harder to fucking kill stuff. Because I am not super great at this game. Ugh! So, like I said, I myself have to rely off cheap tricks and cool-looking moves, such as throw many shurikens and butterflies! It really confuses the shit out of them now. Can you stop kicking me, please? Oh, come on, that's bullshit. Alright. Let's restore some health. Whoop. So, fun fact is, he gets stuck there. So, cool thing about the trick that I have is that I can do this! Oh, man, this is great. Yes, I am finishing him off with a bunch of shuriken. And now, go for the final kill! I told you guys I'm not super great at this game, so I have to rely off other means, such as butterflies. There we go, guys. That is how I defeat that guy. How you actually defeat him is skill, patience, luck. I have none of the above. Alright, so the next guy is actually up there. He's this spear-wielding dude guy. So we gotta go and kill him. And if you're wondering if we're gonna hit him with a shit ton of shurikens, probably. Because that's how I win. I don't care what people say. It's how I win. Oh, there we go. Alright, so these guys... Oh, no, I don't want to deal with you. So he's up there. So you can just go around this way, go whoop onto the castle, and then wait for everyone until, you know, kind of just piss off. Boop. There we go. Ooh, those things, fantastic. Is there a new item in there? Oh, I thought I saw a new item. So we have to wait for them to kind of go away. Okay, go away, guys. I don't have time for this. There we go. I think I forget that crouching helps. Weirdly. Like, I'm already behind a building, but it's like... And they're like, oh, where'd he go? I'm already behind a building. You can't see me anyways. Alrighty, so... Whoop. There we are. So this guy is a giant douchebag. Whoop! There we go. There, yeah, buddy. You want to help? Shurikens! Come at me, bro! Wow! I don't like that ability either. Can we just skip the whole part where you kick my ass? Come on, let me kick some of your ass. Oh, super blocks. Oh, come on! And then you guys wonder why I use the, shuriken trick. Because otherwise... Oh, I don't want you to do that ability. Oh, that's the worst part about... It has to be triggered with the other button as well. That's right, I'm cheesing this guy too. Fuck it. Oh. There we go. Drink a gourd. And now... Oh, come on! Can you stop doing unblockable stupid tricks and just fucking stab him? Like I said, I hate that you have to hold both your block and your attack button. If you hit them both at the same time, you then trigger some your stupid ability, which can be super annoying, because honestly, I'm just trying to, attack and block, and then it triggers my special.
Wolf.
Hey, what's up?
You said to me once, do what must be done.
Probably.
I have yet to discover what it is that I must do.
Dude, you're a lord. You don't have to do jack shit.
Why was I granted this power?
I don't know. You're probably born into it. You're probably just born the heir of the dragon. Which is cool. I mean, there better be a dragon in this game. Not gonna lie, if there's no dragon in this game, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm playing this game for the dragon. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna whoop, go around you guys, and whoop, there we go. There we go. Oh, not you guys again. So that was an easy way of taking care of those guys down there, was to use my shuriken trick. Am I going to use it again? Yes. Yes, I will. There's always those amazing people at games like this. I myself, it's not that mainly I play just because, I enjoy the game, not because I'm looking for super challenge. Other people, on the other hand, have super challenge. Alright, so, we got our super shuriken. We have another prayer beads. Now, I believe, we have time, yeah. I believe now it is perfectly time to go and make our way to the top of the... Okay, where is it? There we go. Shrine. Or the dojo. I think it's time to battle the guy who took my frickin' arm off. And shuriken his ass. In case of emergencies, throw some shurikens. It helps. Ooh, free shit. Ghost lurk once in the lands of Ashina. The ghost lightning was of the fountainhead gods. Unstoppable by noble means. Avoid ground. Reverse the lightning. Cool. There we get. When LB when hit lightning in air and before landing charge. Oh my god, I am going to die to that 15 times. Minimum. And that's just the lightning. That's not including the boss battle. Oh, stuff I can pick up. Sweet. Pellet. Oh, okay, so we go outside the door, and the window. We hear the little whistle of the little boy. Oh, here we go, guys. Get ready for the big battle.
Grandfather.
He's alright.
Lord Ishinis. It's a wonder he is still with us. A miracle.
Oh, no.
Is that so?
Jeez, don't seem disappointed. He's a grandfather. You should be happy.
Divine Heir, I'll ask you once more. Accept me to your immortal oath.
I'm good, thanks. I already have a shinobi.
I cannot do that, Lord Genichiro. Your victory that day means nothing. He will risk his life to take me home.
Is this not your home?
For he is my shinobi.
Dibs on that guy. Oh, speak of the devil.
My lord, I have come for you.
You really need to brush that like dust off your face.
It will only take a moment.
I love how confident you are, cuz I'm gonna tell you right now, I ain't sharing that confidence.
Let's see.
Okay.
For as long as you are alive, the dragon's blood can never be mine.
Yeah, good luck trying to kill me. Fun fact about being immortal, you can't actually kill
Face me.
Shinobi.
Ah!
I think I can't see.
Hey, what's up? Oh, come on! When I say block, I mean attack or block. That means attack or block. Come on. Oh, yeah, I forgot slashes you can't, Okay, this isn't going so bad. Oh, man, awesome. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but toot toot! Yeah, fuck that. Ugh. Did you see that awesomeness? Why am I not attacking? There we go. Oh, don't pin me in a corner. Oh, dickatry. More dickatry! Get out of there! Throw some shurikens! Oh, that was cool. I guess that's my, Megiri counter. See, this is what I mean. Like, I keep doing his stupid little special attack, and I really don't mean to. Come on, I need to get him down. He's almost there. Ugh, yes! Right in the chest, asshole. Whee! Shurikens! Yeah, see how much you like my shuriken attack. Oh, see what I mean? That ability. It's a little like, can you please just duck or cover or whatever? Ugh. More drinks, more drinks. Oh, come on! Arrows don't behave that way. You know what does? Shurikens! Man, he's angry. Shurikens! Oh, I'm on my last healing potion, guys. Oh, enough with your stupid bullshit! Just fucking attack! I don't need you doing stupid, dumb-ass bullshit that thing. I just need you to defend and then attack when I say it's necessary. Oh, I'm almost there, guys. Oh, no, I'm not out of healing yet, but... Oh, come on. Yes! In the throat! Where he deserves it!
Impressive, Shinobi of the Divine Air.
And I didn't completely cheese him with shuriken.
You deserve better. Would you not answer to a different lord?
Nope.
Heresy.
Tiny Lord is my lord.
Heresy, you say?
What?
If it is for the sake
Whoa,
of
dude.
Ashina.
Dude, this is a family-friendly channel. We do not need nudity. Stop stripping.
I will seize any manner of heretical strength. I will endure any burden.
I noticed. Whoa! Ugh.
Behold the lightning of Tomoe.
Why do you get lightning? I don't get lightning power. I want lightning power. Please tell me that you restored my health. God damn it! First thing I have to do is use up my health. Oh, that is... Yeah, fuck off! I do not need you in the middle of my attack telling me bullshit I don't need to know. Do you want help? Oh, not that. Shuriken! I don't care. I am shurikening this guy up because I have no fucking help. Resurrect! More shurikens! Oh, hey, check that out. That was pretty cool. I said jump, you son of a poop. Drink, 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 drink. Move. There we go. Hey, we're getting this. Oh, damn it. Block, you son of a... What am I holding the block for if you're not going to fucking block for me? Yeah, you deserve that, you son of a bitch. I'm holding the fucking block, and my asshole's not fucking blocking. Oh. Ask me why I cheesed this game. Because that. Now I have to do the whole goddamn thing. So you know what? We're pausing until I get back to that, until we get back to lightning stage. So, boom! Alright guys, we're back. We just defeated this stage of him. Now it's time for lightning stage. More shurikens! What's he trying to do? I'm good, thank you. Oh, enough with your stupid attack! I don't care. You can die. All the AIDS. Oh. Move! I'm hitting the roll button! The one thing this game doesn't have is the fucking rolling from Dark Souls, because his death is like, oh, let me not even get out of your way. Fuck you, buddy. Just a giant fuck you, and fuck my shinobi, because I am so tired of him. Don't ever do your stupid combo thing again. I just want you to fucking jump at the right fucking time. No shit, it's lightning bullshit. Drink. Good. Throw. Throw more. Why? No, I don't want you to fucking do that attack. Because then you don't block. Oh, if you guys don't wonder why I'm angry, this is why I'm angry. He doesn't block if he does his special. And he fucking does his special all the fucking time. Oh, why can't... Oh, yeah, where's that?
The dragon's blood.
Get move, you fucking asshole! I'm fucking cornered. Great. That's your fucking fault, you son of a bitch. More shurikens. I don't care if this is cheesing. I'm out of health. I'm out of patience. And he does stupid moves like that where my guy doesn't even try to get out of the way. So you know what? Fuck this guy! Fuck him, fuck his family, and his cow, his dog. I don't know, his wife, if he's got one.
Enough.
Death, you son of a bitch! Whole family! I don't care about some memory. Good, I get some ninja technique. Okay, I don't care. This game is literally just pop-ups to the game. Whew. Heart just a lot. Anger. Chicken boot.
You were victorious. I see.
Yes.
Are you?
I mean you no harm.
She's literally been hoping
Shinobi
this
of the
whole time.
divine Lord Genichiro. Is this the rejuvenating waters?
I'm sorry, what? How many times do I have to kill you? That's 3 times I had to kill him in a single row.
Shina, this land is everything to me. For her sake.
Why does he want immortality? Like the...
I will shed humanity itself.
Why does he want the dragon blood immortality if he's already freaking immortal?
Resurrection.
Yeah, looks like he's got it anyways.
Yes. Indeed.
Okay. Still gonna flip you off.
So long.
Ah! I already got tired of you, so I'm happy that you're gone. 3 stages. 3. It's dicks. Tons of dicks. Alrighty. Well, as I said before, I don't care. As I said before, that's as far as I'm going with this playthrough, because the rest of it just gets harder, and as you can see, the only way that I'm able to do anything is if I cheese stuff with my Phantom Kunai. So anyways, that's it. It's a fantastic game. I recommend you guys play it for yourself. It is a glorious game. I love the aesthetics. The giant snake is amazing. I absolutely love that. But anyways, that's all I'm going to be doing, so I guess that's it for this playthrough. So you guys have yourself a wonderful evening, and until next time, make sure to have a great evening. Bye-bye!